Since 2019, Aqua Blue has navigated the remote habitats of eastern Indonesia, indulging guests in unforgettable adventures and wildlife encounters. The archipelago has been an incredible host to us, and as such, we feel a strong sense of responsibility in ensuring its conservation. In recent years, marine debris have become a growing concern for this region. Indonesia is estimated to release almost 500,000 tons of plastic into the ocean every year, and as this waste accumulates, it poses a threat to the island's wildlife and ecosystems. Komodo dragons, who are endemic only to these islands, are one of the many species immediately at risk. As these dragons wander the beaches of Horseshoe Bay in search for food, they can inadvertently consume plastic, which is harmful to their system. Starting in 2023, we're pleased to engage in a partnership with the Indonesian Waste Platform to improve waste management practices in the region and address the threat posed by marine debris. As strong believers that change starts from within, our first step of action was to improve waste collection on board Aqua Blue. Going forward, our onboard waste will now be carefully collected and recycled by the Indonesian Waste Platform. Beyond this, our partnership will focus on educational initiatives in the neighboring island communities, as well as beach cleanups to enable better data collection. This could play a key role in supporting the Indonesian government's plan to reduce 70% of plastic marine debris over the next decade. Rigorous and accurate data gathering can help paint an accurate picture of the situation at hand and allow regulators to make informed decisions. We carried out our first data gathering exercise during Earth Day this year with the cleanup of Rinca Beach along with the Indonesian Waste Platform and Komodo National Park rangers. Over 2 days, we removed 337 kilos of recyclable waste, which was then categorized, weighed, and documented. Such data can help policymakers understand the type of marine debris that is most prolific, the actions that should be taken, and the rules that need to be implemented towards plastic producers. Finally, the waste which was collected was sent on to Surabaya for upcycling initiatives such as spinning plastic yarn for use in fashion, and while such recycling measures are helpful, they aren't always applicable. Some of the waste we found had melted under the trees and crumbled into microplastics. This can only be avoided by addressing the root cause of the problem, which starts with proper disposal. Along with Indonesian Waste Platform and the Komodo National Park Rangers, we aim to provide educational resources across the islands and teach local communities about better waste management practices. This is the start of a long-term journey to protect and conserve the islands of eastern Indonesia, and we welcome all those who wish to join and support our mission.
Terima kasih kepada tim IWP dan juga Aqua Blue yang telah membantu kami terhadap permasalahan-permasalahan yang terjadi di kawasan, yaitu dampak sampah yang begitu banyak. Kira-kira untuk depannya mungkin tim IWP dan juga tim Aqua Blue mungkin dapat membantu kami untuk di demikian harinya. Mungkin untuk pesan saya terhadap masyarakat yang ada di Manggarai Barat, kalau bisa mari kita sama-sama bersihkan sampah yang ada di kawasan untuk mengindahkan kembali kita punya lingkungan yang ada di sana. Terima kasih.
Let's ensure the islands of the Komodo are pristine for future generations to discover and explore.